the Maurice's black market vending machine. It's an ember mire. And you want to go to this part of the map where the spaceship comes in and you get the thing from the toilet. Is there any shortcut there? Kinda. Just about there. Can I not get stuck? Bruh. Obstacles, man, obstacles. And there's the vending machine. Right here on the map again. Oh, it's actually over here, not over there. And inside is the Ruby's Wrath, Horizon, Tidal Wave, Flash TK's Heat Wave. You know, very good week, just cause of the Ruby's Wrath. You know, the Horizon has a good singularity, Ruby's Wrath is good rocket jumping, TK's Wave is good, Tidal Wave is not.